Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate IRS Direct Pay for quarterly estimated taxes step by step clearly. To activate IRS Direct Pay for quarterly estimated taxes, start by visiting the official IRS website. In your browser, type in www.irs.gov and press enter. Once the home page loads, locate the search bar at the top right corner. Type in Direct Pay and hit enter. From the search results, click on the first link that says Pay Your Tax Bill. On the Direct Pay page, look for the section labeled Make a Payment. Select Pay Now to proceed with the payment process. Next, you will need to choose the type of tax payment you are making. Select Estimated Tax from the options available. You will then be prompted to enter your personal information. Fill in your Social Security number or employer identification number. Next, input your filing status, single, married, filing jointly, or another option. Continue by entering your mailing address, including your city, state, and zip code. Once your information is complete, click Continue. The system may ask you to verify your identity for security purposes. Follow the prompts to enter any required identification details. After successfully verifying your identity, proceed to enter your bank information. Provide your checking or savings account number. Next, add your bank routing number, which can usually be found on your checks. Confirm the payment amount for your estimated taxes. Review all of the information you have entered for accuracy. Once you are sure everything is correct, check the box agreeing to the terms and conditions. Click on Submit Payment to complete the process. You should receive a confirmation page detailing your transaction. Print this confirmation for your records. If you do not receive a confirmation, check your email, as the IRS may send a receipt. Remember to mark your calendar for future quarterly estimated tax payments. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.